my travelers, how are you? Yeah, today that's finally the day I'm going to Greece Monday, and it's time I'm packing my luggage. And this today's video I'm gonna show you how to pack your luggage like a pro, and I promise you you're gonna have enough space when you buy some memories, whatever you want, whatever you need during your stay, when you traveled, when you come back home. So let's get to that video. I'm so excited. Let's do this.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my...
Like you can see, when you travel, it's mess, a real mess. So this is my luggage here, and hi sweetie, this is my cat, and here we go. So this is the clothes I'm bringing. As you can see, my luggage, it's a carry-on, and there are this double flap with a zipper. It's very practical because when you open your luggage, it's not cool when your clothes definitely off. So I'm going to Greece, so I'm gonna bring my beach bag. So this is the bag. It's pretty big, very easy to fold. And the trick to do your luggage is to fold a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna put that one here. Here we go. I'm gonna put my bathroom pouch. So this is my makeup pouch over here. My shower proof with that little clear pouch on it. Here we go. My hairdresser come with this pouch. It's very practical. Gonna put under my beach bag some makeup cotton over here. I know usually, it's not only usually, I'm going to the hotel, they do have hair dryer. I really love mine, so I take that one with me, for sure. Come on. Up, that's check. This is my jewelry case. Up, like you can see, it's a travel case. I don't have everything on it because I'm wearing it right now. So here we go, and here we go. Take some space here. So this is my patch for my watch. Here we go. Very practical and small. The next step. So I'm finished for that section for now. And so this for the clothing. Even for the clothing, the trick is to fold like a big sushi. Definitely like a big a big sushi, sorry. I'm so excited. This is a beach dress. So here it goes. Yep. This is another dress. Here. Again, another dress. Actually, I'm going to Greece. It's all the time summer there. It's August, although it's gonna be 34 degrees next week. Up. Here it goes. My pajamas. Need pajamas. Here it goes. Up. Up. A crop top. It looks like this way. A crop top. And just back to fold it as much as possible. It really depends. Some fabric is more easy to fold. The thin fabric here. This is silk tank. Those are very silky. It's 100% silk actually. Tank. It's very soft and small fabric, very thin fabric, so it won't take much space than other fabric with very thicker. So when you got thin fabric, it's definitely okay to not fold it like a big sushi, like those dresses. Here we go. So I'm gonna just put here, up. So this is another dress, silk dress, that I'm gonna put here, up, and 2 pair of shorts. So like a short, like the short is very thicker, as you see. So I'm gonna try to fold it as much as possible. It's not very easy, but always make it work. And don't hesitate to push your clothes on your suitcase. So as you can see, I got some space. So this is a patch for my belt actually. So it's a small silky belt. I can show you. Here we go. So this is just a silk belt for my red short. Just put that underneath like nothing happened. And this bag, I got my underwear and my bath suits. I'm going to Greece. Definitely go to see the island. Some of it with trips. So I can see it's pretty big. I'm gonna make it work because I'm always making it work. Up, here we go. That under here we go. Up. So sometimes when it start to be very big, don't hesitate. Really, don't hesitate to put some of your clothes under your clothes already, because this pouch, that flap, I mean, is very easy to close it. And that's my laundry bag. I'm gonna put my dirty clothes on. I'm definitely gonna put on next. Gonna close this. Here it is. And here. It looks big already, but definitely you have definitely some space. So back to that other flap. So this is for the shoes. I take always a bag. So I'm taking evening shoes because I want to be pretty, and flip-flops. That's for sure for the beach. So I put on the bag. Up. Try to make it flat and put under. Here it goes. But you're gonna say, Anais, your luggage is pretty already full. We're gonna give you some more space. So this is my trick. I take a carry-on, but I take another luggage. So I'm taking another luggage with me. So that one, it's will be a handbag. Yeah, it will be a handbag because this one is very practical. I'm gonna show you in a second. But let's finish with this one. So I'm gonna close it. I love that bag. I got a pouch here, an open pouch, and I'm gonna put my liquid pouch because it's a carry-on, and you need your liquid in the clear pouch. And this one is new from Amazon. Oh my god, I love it. It's the first time I use it. I can put everything there. Sunscreen, my skincare, shampoo, definitely everything I need and put here because it will be more easy to catch it, to take it for the security on the line. Easy to take it and put it back. So I love that luggage because you can close with this. Here we go. Up. And that's my carry-on luggage. And with your addresses, always, and a lock. A lock. So this is for the carry-on. Hi, sweetie. That's it for. And this is for my handbag. I love that one because, as you see, there are lots of space. So it does have already my bag. It's leather, so I put my a big dust bag. Actually, it's the dust bag of this bag underneath, and I have a lot of space. I don't know if you can see actually. Here it goes. Up. There are a lot of space again. So when you got memories, if you do have by very fragile memories like mags, something can be breaking, I'll put some clothes here when I come back. Clothes or things I'm sure it will be safe, it doesn't matter, so I change a bit my routine of the luggage. Up. I really love that bag. I really love that bag. I got my pouch with my phone cable. Actually, guys, ladies, travelers, you need pouch. A lot of pouch when you travel. It's always useful to be organized and to know what you're doing. I'm gonna close that one. And on the front, I love that one. Love that one. The things I really need during my flight: passport and my headphone. Then I can listen some music, some tissues too. And yeah, here we go. Thank you. And this bag, I love it because if you have trouble actually about the big size, it's the right size than for flights. You have to know that, but makes not a lot of space, a bit smaller on the corners and the edge. And here it goes. Up. I love that bag. So practical. And here it goes. As you can see, my bag is ready. And it's time to meet the flight. So I wish you a beautiful summer. I got a flight to catch. Bye bye, guys.
Maybe you'll get sick of being the